Yes, I can. Awesome, you're doing a great job. Now let's practice something called a reverse punch that we learn in martial arts. Follow me. Take your right foot and step back in a guard stance. Kia! Okay, follow me. Bring your arm here, say 1. Twist your back foot in your body, say 2. And bring your hand right back to starting position, say 3. Let's try it again. 1, 2, 3. Good, one more time. 1, 2, 3. Good, all together now, watch me. Reverse punch, say it with me. Reverse punch, one more time. Reverse punch. Let's try 5 of them, ready, go. 1, sir, 2, sir, 3, sir, 4, sir, 5, sir. Now when we punch, we want to hit with these 2 top knuckles right here. Here we go, 10 of them with me, strong and confident. Go, 1, sir, 2, sir, 3, sir, 4, sir, 5, sir. Turn those hips, 6, sir, 7, sir, 8, sir, 9, sir, 10, sir. Great job, switch sides. What do we say? Yes, sir. Let's use our backhand now. 1, 2, 3. Good, and again. 1, 2, 3. One more time. 1, 2, 3. All right, all together now. Turning that foot, turning those shoulders, and striking with these 2 top knuckles. 10 of your best. Yes, I can. Go. 1, sir. 2, sir. 3, sir. 4, sir. 5, sir. See how my other hand's up by my face? 6, sir. 7, sir. 8, sir. 9, sir. 10, sir. Set. Bow. Yes, I can. Great job.